I'm Dr. Dorner. We had a great question that come in. It says, why do people who are rich get bad facelifts when they have the option to get any facelift? It's a really good question. I think there's a lot of things that go into that. A facelift is a very technical operation, and sometimes it's really hard just to find out what you're getting. So you really have to dive into the details. I know somebody from LA, and there's a doctor out there that charges $100,000 for a facelift, and he doesn't even do them. He just sells it out to somebody else. So you got to be real careful what you're getting. You also want to find the right personality. So it's important, if you know somebody who had a really good result, you should look into that. But a lot of times too, you're looking on the web and you're just seeing like one good result. It's super important to see consistent results with every patient. And that takes the right personality, it takes the right technique. I know a lot of people will see them in the circuit, listening to their talks, but they'll show one or two patients over their whole career and it's always the same patients, and then you start to scratch your head, okay, is he good with every patient? So it's important every time, do the right thing. I take my time, I make sure I do the right technique for every patient, and I think that's what gives me good, consistent results, and you want to look for that in your surgeon.